Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to continue Bandit series on the over-the-wire platform. The level I'm going to do will be level 16. Here is the description for this level. The password for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to this port number 30,001 on localhost. So it means that this port number is only accessible locally. And however, we need to use SSL or TLS encryption. So I think this level is similar to the previous level or level 15. We have to submit the password of the current level to this port number. But the difference is that this level requires encrypted communication. So this is where one of very powerful utilities or libraries, OpenSSL, can come into play. You know, OpenSSL can allow us to secure communication over network. And, this one can be acting as client or can be acting as a server. Actually, this library or this library can support so many commands, and each command can support so many options, which sounds very complicated. But in this video, we will mention a few of them, okay? Before we go ahead, however, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can head over to Linux VM. First of all, we need to SSH to the target or connect to the target over SSH. SSH, and let me autocomplete this command. As before, we need to specify the username, the current username, and enter, and followed by the host name. And then we have to explicitly specify this port number because this one is not default port number by SSH service. So now we can hit enter. And it's asking us to supply the password of the current user. No problem, we can paste from clipboard because I've already made a copy earlier. Now we are in the target machine, and we can press keys Ctrl, Shift, and L to clear the screen. So then we can get a bigger space on the screen. And we can run command ls to list directory content. And usually I will put the option of ALH. This is my personal way, okay? Of course, we cannot find anything from the current directory. I mean the password for the next level. We have been told very clearly where to get such password. We need to connect to this port number. So I think before we try to connect to this port number, we need to know, or we need to confirm this port number is indeed open. So how to determine the port number, the port is open or closed? We can take advantage of the Nmap. If you have already followed my channel, you know that I've already used the Nmap a lot, okay? Actually, this is so powerful when you gather information about the target, okay? Specifically, the port status and also the service information, which is running on the target machine. So next, we can run the Nmap. And of course, here I will not explain this command or Nmap in detail, but I'd like to give you one common problem you will possibly encounter. In many cases, we can use the this the since again type, the norm S followed by the uppercase S. This indicates we want to conduct since again, because this is very fast, has very good performance. But later we will get the error. And followed by the port number, we can use the -P to specify the port number. And we need to specify the target. This case should be the local host. We can press enter. As you can see, we got an error. The since again type requires root privileges. So instead, we need to use another type of scanning, the Nmap or full connect scan. With the norm S followed by the uppercase T, and then we just type in same information. Localhost, press enter. As you can see here, we can get the state of this port number, which is open. Fantastic. Then we can try to make secure communication or connection to this port number. Just I mentioned at the very beginning, we can take advantage of OpenSSL. So how to use this command? And there will be different ways. You can use Google to make some research, and also we can get some help from the built-in help of the command. For example, like OpenSSL help, and then you can get all available commands. And alternatively, we can use the main command. This can give much more detailed information. Okay, for example, here you can scroll down, command summary. So many different commands available with this utility or with this library. Okay, I need to scroll back. So command summary, I skipped so fast. As you can see, this option is I'm going to use. So this, OpenSSL can be server or client, depends on a scenario. This case, of course, what we want is client too. So we need to use this one because this can implement a generic SSL or TLS client, which can establish a transparent connection to a remote server speaking SSL. Okay, so now we can quit from the main page, and let me clear the screen, and then we can open SSL. Open SSL followed by the ACE on the line client, and also we can use the help option to display its usage. I think we need to specify the target information, including the host name and also the port number. Okay, and normally we can use the host and the port option. However, we are given this one, we can use the connect instead. And also it's a bit different from other commands or other Linux commands. We use this one, the connect, and normally the connect, not just a single character. Normally we use the double hyphen, but this case just one. Okay, this is a bit different. Okay, so now we can run, so connect. Okay, even I can use tab key to autocomplete this option, and localhost, port number, press enter, and now we got a lot of information from the target. The target is running SSL service, and as you can see here is the certificate for this server, and also some cipher information, handshake information. But here now, what we have to do now, we need to submit a password of the current level. So we simply paste from the clipboard. Now we can hit enter, and then we can get the password for the next level. So I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.